Hey everyone, welcome back. By default, ChatGPT saves every conversation you have and can use it to train its models. Today, I am showing you how to turn that off and how to have a chat that never touches your history at all. It takes about a minute, so let's get straight into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, and type in ChatGPT. Now tap the app to open it and give it a second to load. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This is your sidebar. Down at the bottom right, tap Account Settings. Now this settings screen has a lot on it, so scroll down. You will go past General, Notifications, Voice, Safety, Security and Login, and Storage. The one you actually want is Data Controls, near the bottom, just above Ads Controls. Go ahead and tap Data Controls. And here it is, right at the top. Improve the model for everyone. That switch is on by default, and this is the one that lets OpenAI use your conversations to train its models. Tap it, and it turns off. That is it. That is the setting. From now on, what you type here is not used for training. Underneath, you can also see Include your audio recordings, which is already off, and that one covers voice chats. Now there is a second way, and honestly, it is the one I use most often. Tap the back arrow a few times to get out of Settings and back to the chat screen. Now look at the top right, next to Get Plus. That small icon is Temporary Chat. Tap it and read what it actually promises you. Not in history, so it never shows up in your sidebar. No memory, so it will not save anything about you. And no model training. Now tap Continue. And now look at the screen. It says it clearly. This chat will not appear in your chat history and will not be used to train our models. The message box even says Temporary Chat. So I can type whatever I want in here, ask it something I would rather not keep, and when I close it, it is gone. Nothing in the sidebar, nothing saved. To go back to normal, just tap that same icon again. So let's recap. For the permanent fix, open ChatGPT, tap the menu icon, tap Account Settings, scroll down to Data Controls, and turn off Improve the Model for everyone. That stops your conversations being used for training. And for anything you just do not want saved at all, use the icon in the top right of the chat screen, Temporary Chat. That one is not in your history, does not touch memory, and is not used for training. One honest note though. Temporary does not mean invisible. OpenAI says it may keep a copy for up to 30 days for safety, and that is on the screen too. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.